As you are aware, we've gathered here today to witness the 20th Electrical Wiring Certification and Awards Ceremony.
To celebrate the success of our gallant men and women who took the bold decision of availing themselves to be examined by the Commission as the law demands, to become recognized as certified electrical wiring professionals and inspectors.
Having passed the required examination, hereby pledge to practice my profession to the highest standards.
We encourage all of you, as you are going out to work in your various fields, to buy local manufactured cables. We encourage you to buy from Tropical Cables. We encourage you to buy from Nexans. We encourage you to buy from Signa, Leroy, and buy from Sankablu Electrical Cables.